Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Atomic Wallet application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your web browser on a computer. Once you open up a web browser of your choice, go to the URL box at the top. Type in atomicwallet.io into the search bar and search. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Atomic Wallet, which looks like this. Click the download button in blue at the upper right hand corner and choose the Windows option in order to download it on your PC. You can also download the application for Mac OS and other operating systems. Click on the button of your choice and your download for Atomic Wallet app should begin. Wait until the file gets downloaded, and once it does, click on Open File link. Now, your installation for your Atomic Wallet should begin automatically. Wait until the application gets installed on your Windows and you'll be able to download Atomic Wallet application for your PC. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.